there's a window. It is not really very big, but may window ngayon for us to take stock of everything. We are not fighting the communists. They have declared a truce. In return, I also ordered a ceasefire. But I was ahead by them at the beginning to show my good faith na talagang galing sa puso yung aking offer to talk peace.
Ayan ko sa magnanakaw na tao.
Vigo Roa Duterte.
Genny Vicente B. Emano, Misamis Oriental, represented by Board Member Gerardo Sabal III.
Is going well, but there are certain matters na unpursuant to my orders to destroy the So, we prepare. It is up to you guys to make how to deal with it. And in the meantime, I said, we take advantage of these windows that are really open to us now. We just talk about peaceful things. They're doing well. We have declared the ceasefire. Just observe it, please. Para they can talk there without a raucous and everything.
Daghang salamat sa atong pinangga na presidente. Mabuhay po kayo, President Duterte. Concludes our program. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtambong.